It's so easy, right?
What should we do now?
Put it into the air fryer.
Together. Let's pour it in like. Thank you for your help. Keep going, Mama, keep going. Woo!
So while you are doing that, I will go ahead and separate these out because we want them to cook evenly, right? So let's try putting this in 325 for 8 minutes. Go down, keep going down. Keep going. Ta-da! All right, this needs to go a little bit longer, but as you can see, they don't stay in one place when you put them in the air fryer. They fry all over the place. See? Let's check on it in a minute. Don't like it?
No, I like it. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Ah!
Taste.
Cheers. Oh, cheers. Would you make this again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy, right? All you need is 1 plantain, some coconut oil, and some salt.
Yeah, we need